Drug abuse. Drug abuse, also called substance abuse, as an illness that is characterized by a destructive pattern use of illegal or legal drug or medication. The condition affects the person's brain and behavior such that they are unable to control the use of the drug to the point that it interferes. The drug user consumes the substance in amounts or with methods that are harmful to themselves or others. Some of the most commonly used drugs are alcohol, cocaine, opioids, benzodiazepines, cannabis, barbiturates, amphetamine, hallucinogens, inhalants, and club drugs. There are over 190 million drug users around the world, and the problem keeps increasing at an alarming rate, especially among young adults under the age of 30. Drug abuse can cause a long-term damage to the body. Drug addicts who use needles are at a greater risk of having HIV and hepatitis B and C infections. People start to use drugs for so many reasons. Some people start with experimental use of a recreational drug out of curiosity to have a good time or because friends are doing it. For others, drug abuse begins with exposure to prescribed medications from a friend or relative who has been prescribed the medications, particularly with opioids. Over time, you may need larger doses of a drug to get high, and as drug use increases, it may get extremely difficult to go out without the drug. An attempt to stop the drug use may cause intensive cravings as well as getting physically ill. Cocaine use disorders has 11,100 deaths and amphetamine use disorder has 12,200 deaths. Causes. Each drug produces different physical effects on the brain. However, repeated use of drug can alter the way in which the brain functions, including the way the brain feels pressure. The addicting drug use causes changes in your brain that interferes with the ability to think, control your behavior, and at the same time send intense impulses to take drugs. It is because of these changes in the brain that it is so challenging for an addicted person to stop taking drugs. Like many mental disorders, drug abuse has no single cause. Many factors may contribute to the development of drug addiction. The main factors are genetics, parental abuse or neglect, family beliefs, exposure to peer group that encourages drug abuse. Other factors that may affect the likelihood and speed of developing a substance addiction may include psychological problems such as depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, as well as personality disorders. Peer pressure, early use of drugs, unstable home environment, poor relationship with parents, inadequate supervision over adolescents' activities, poor achievement in school. Symptoms: a regular urge to use drugs daily or even several times a day. Recurrent substance use that prevents the user from meeting significant daily responsibilities at work, home, school. Recurrent drug use in physically dangerous situations. Withdrawal symptoms at every attempt to stop drug. An unsuccessful trial of decreasing or controlling the use of the drug. Cutting back on social or recreational activities because of drug use. Continual use of the drug even though the person is aware of recurring physical or psychological problems caused or worsened by drug use. A need to keep or maintain a supply of the drug. Spending more money on the drug even though one cannot afford it. Doing things who would not do, such as going to the extent of stealing to get the drug. Diagnosis: a thorough evaluation that includes assessment by a psychiatrist, psychologist, or licensed alcohol and drug counselor may be required for diagnosis. Blood, urine, other lab tests are used in assessing drug use, but they do not serve as a diagnostic test for substance abuse. Treatment: With the right treatment and support, it is possible to counteract the destructive effect of drug use and regain control of your life. Chemical dependence treatment programs, detoxification, behavioral therapy. The primary goals of treatment are abstinence, relapse prevention, and rehabilitation. Treatment option may include these are supports from friends, family doctors, support groups, or an organized treatment program may help to overcome your drug addiction and stay drug free. Thank you for watching.